Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn about adjectives, okay? And we already know a lot about adjectives in French. We know that there's masculine adjectives, we know that there's feminine adjectives, we know that there are singular adjectives and that there are plural adjectives. Okay? So today we're going to learn some new adjectives and go over remember or remind ourselves about the rules of agreeing the adjectives to the subject. Okay, so, répétez. Il est fort. Fort here means he's strong, and you can remember fort like a fortress or a fort. Okay, that's a strong thing. If you want the feminine version, you would say Elle est forte. Okay, forte. Fort, forte. Okay. Here we have il est beau. Répétez, il est beau. And do you remember what the feminine version of beau is? If you said belle, then you are correct. Elle est belle. Très bien. Okay, so beau and belle. Il est amusant et orange. So we really already know what orange is, right? We can describe the cat as orange. And amusant looks just like amusing, okay? And so amusing or funny. And if you want to do the feminine version, amusante. Répétez, amusant, amusante. Oh, elle est minuscule. Elle est très petite. Okay, so I'm talking about size here. She's very small. Or she's minuscule. I'm talking about the insect. But if I wanted to say it's a small insect, notice where the adjective goes. It goes in front of the noun, okay? Normally in French, you know, if you wanted to say it's a yellow insect, c'est une insecte jaune. Okay, it's a yellow insect, or it's an insect yellow. Okay, notice that the adjective is at the end. But when we're talking about size, and we're saying it's a small bug, c'est une petite insecte, and you notice that the adjective is here. And you'll see some more like this. Okay, c'est une petite insecte. Minuscule. Okay, il est gentil. Il est sympa. So you already knew sympa, and you didn't know gentil, so that's one of your new words. Il est gentil. And if you want to say that he or she is nice, okay? You have to say gentil, and gentil is spelled like this. Hola. Ok, donc on a vu gentil féminin et gentil masculin. Sympa is feminine and masculine, doesn't change the spelling. Ok, ensuite. Oh, il est méchant. Il est très fort. Okay, so he's a bad and very strong gorilla. Okay, so we have méchant, and you can imagine that méchant, you add on the E for méchante, for feminine. And here we have c'est un mauvais gorilla. Okay, again, you notice that you have mauvais in front of the word gorilla. Instead of saying it's a gorilla bad, we're saying it's a bad gorilla. So far we've seen mauvais and petit that go before the noun. Okay, here we go. Il est petit et marrant. So we've already seen petit several times. He's small and he's marrant. Okay, so we've seen amusant and marrant. Marrant is more like he makes silly jokes. He's silly. He's funny. And of course the feminine version, marrante. Okay, répétez. Marrant, marrante. Il est sportif et très fort. Okay, so this is a really, really athletic, strong guy, yeah? So, il est sportif, and if you're a really athletic girl, you don't have to look like this guy, but sportive. Hopefully you don't. Sportive. So that's the feminine and the masculine. Notice that they're really really pretty different. So one ends in IF and one ends in IVE. Okay, so attention. Il est vert et amusant. So we're describing him with a color because he's green. If he was Fiona, which is Shrek's wife, we would say she's verte and amusante, right? But we're not saying that because this is a guy. Okay, so amusant, amusante, vert, verte. Oh, qu'il est mignon, blanc et tout petit. Okay, mignon is cute. Okay, such a nice word. Mignon. Okay, et mignonne. For a girl. Mignonne. Mignon, mignonne. And he's white, so blanc. If it was a girl kitty cat, we would say blanche. And toute petite. Tout petite. Okay, mignonne, blanche. Elle est mince et belle. Okay, so we know belle, she's beautiful. And mince is skinny. Mince. Also, you can use mince in French to kind of say like zut. You go, oh, mince. Oh, skinny, which is really funny. Okay, mince. Oh, mince. Oh, skinny. So she's skinny and beautiful. And then here we have c'est une belle femme. Again, we have the adjective before the noun. It's a beautiful woman. So that makes belle or beau can go before the noun. Petit and petit. And mauvais and mauvaise. Okay, so we've seen a few now that can go in front of the noun. Il est gros, c'est un gros homme. Et très marrant, okay? So, he is fat, all right? He's fat and funny. Il est gros, and if it's a fat lady, grosse. So it sounds like gross, but it's not. Okay, répétez. Gros, grosse. Okay, c'est un grand éléphant. It's a big elephant. Il est grand. He's big. Here we go again. Grand came before the elephant, so before the noun. So that makes grand, petit, mauvais, mauvaise, and what else do we see? Beau and belle. Oops, that says pen instead of belle. Belle. So quite a few. Okay, so let's do a few practice ones and then we'll finish the rest of these slides tomorrow. Qui est marrant et orange? Il est marrant et orange? Il est marrant et orange? Ou il est marrant et orange? Il est marrant et orange. Qui est fort et sportif? Il est fort et sportif? Oh, il est fort et sportif. Yep, you guessed right. Il est fort et sportif. Et vert. And so the last one, il est petit et mignon. Okay? Let's see if you remember this. Qui est marrant et gros? Qui est mince et belle? Qui est grand et fort? Marrant et gros. Okay, if you said c'est Homer, oui, c'est correct. Il est marrant et gros. Qui est mince et belle? Oh, elle est belle. Oh, mince, elle est belle. Oh, darn, she's pretty. Oh, mince, elle est belle. Elle est mince et belle. Qui est grand et fort? He's grand and fort. Okay, so go back through the slides and make sure you know which adjectives mean which, and then tomorrow in class we'll complete the rest of the slide activities in class. Au revoir!